Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an eye look on this one right here, and I'm using the brand new Morphe 35G palette. So this is what it looks like. Here is a really bright looking palette, and the shades inside here look like that there. So there is a bunch of matte and metallic shades in here. They're all mostly warm shades in this palette. You know, there's a mix of bronze, golds, rose golds, terracotta shades, and some rich brown shades as well there. I'm really liking the shade selection in this palette because they're quite easy and everyday wearable shades. You know, of course you can make some looks a little bit more dramatic than others, by like smoking them out and everything like that, but I think the shades in here, especially for my skin tone and everything, I do love the shade selection in here. I think these are great shades for me to wear every day. They're also great shades in here for like any occasion really. So yeah, I am really liking the shade selection in here. So before I go on to the tutorial, make sure you are subscribed to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up if you like and enjoy it, and also come and follow me over Instagram. I will just leave my Instagram handle up there. I would love it if you took the time to come and follow me there. But yeah, if you want to see me test out this palette and see how to get this eye look, then let's just go ahead and we'll get started. Okay, so I'm just going to prime my eyes with the Revolution Prime and Lock eyeshadow primer. So I'm just going to apply this to my lids and then just blend this in. Now I'm going to take the shade Deserted, and I'm going to use this shade as my transition shade. So I'm going to apply it with my Morphe R37 brush. So I'm just going to apply it slightly higher than my crease. Now I'm going to go in with this shade here, which is called SPF. I'm going to apply this with a more precise blending brush, and this is the Morphe R39. I'm just going to apply this right into my crease. Now I'm going to take this shade here, which is called Tan Up. So with my Morphe M433 brush, I'm just going to pack that all over the lid. Okay, so I'm going to use my L'Oreal Infallible Pomade to do a half cut crease. Now I'm going to get in with the shade So Golden, and I'm going to use my Morphe GH41 brush to pack that shade on to the area where we've cut it out. Now I'm going to take this shade here, which is called Soul. I'm just going to pack that right on top just to make the gold really pop. Okay, so for eyeliner, I'm going to use this little mini KVD Tattoo Eyeliner pen. Okay guys, so I've applied my foundation, my concealer and also my brows, and now I'm going to be trying out the new Morphe bronzer, which I'm really excited about. Like, I've never tried a bronzer from Morphe before. So yeah, this one I have here is the medium shade, which is called Megastar. So that's the packaging for it right there. Super pretty. And that's the shade right there. So as you can see, it's quite a deep shade. This one is for more medium skin tones. There is one for light skin tones and of course darker skin tones as well. Bronzer is my favourite makeup product, so I'm really excited about this. And I'm going to apply this using the Morphe and Jaclyn GH02 brush, which is this big bronzer brush. Okay, so I'm going to pick up the shade SPF and I'm going to apply that along my lower lash line. So I used my Sigma E15 brush to apply that, and I'm going to go with this BH Cosmetics 105 brush and pick up the shade Tan Up, which is this shade right here, and I'm going to smoke that along my lower lash line. I'm going to take this YSL waterproof eyeliner and run that in my waterline. To highlight my inner corner, I'm going to take the shade Glare and then just applying that with my Morphe Y22 brush. Just going to take my eyeliner pen and go over my liner in the inner corner here. Now for mascara, I'm going to use the Mascara Revolution. Okay guys, so this is the completed look using the new Morphe 35G palette. All the shades that I used were super pigmented, like from the matte shades to like the metallic shades were incredible. Like everything was super pigmented, applied lovely, no patchiness whatsoever. So yeah, really love the formula of this palette. I love the shades in this palette as well. Like if you really do like your warm shades, then this is a great palette for you. I do actually really like that there's a few kind of pinky shades in the palette, because there's like a lot of kind of bronzy, coppery and gold shades, and there's a few pop of pinks here which I think is really nice. So yeah, I really do like the colour story in this palette. I think it's really nice. This will be a great palette for this spring and summer time. So yeah, I'm really liking it, and I do love the packaging for it. It's different from like the other Morphe palettes, because as you know, the majority of the Morphe palettes are just like black packaging, whereas this is a little bit different, which I quite like. So yeah, I'm also really loving the bronzer. Like again, it's got the same packaging as the palette, and I think this is a really gorgeous bronzer. It's quite a kind of deep bronzer. As you can see, I'm super bronzed right now, but I'm really loving it. It has a little bit of a reddy undertone to it as well, which is nice. So yeah, I'm really liking this. It is a matte bronzer, which is my preferred finish anyway, and yeah, it goes on so nicely. Like it's not patchy at all, and it just looks super flawless on the cheeks. I'm so happy I've got a bronzer from Morphe now, because I love bronzers. So yeah, I'm really liking this, and again, this one is in the shade Megastar. So guys, that is it for this video. I really hope you liked and enjoyed this eye look. Remember, if you did like the video, then give it the big thumbs up, and also hit the subscribe button just down below if you are brand new to my channel, and I will speak to you very soon in my next video. Bye! Mwah.